big pull day today. So we got Ultra Fiesta Mango Grenade pre-workout. I mean, the Grenade pre-workout's pretty tasty, but even on its own. Sizzling now. Right, man? Oh, we're doing a little pre-workout review. Do you want in on this? Go on, come show them what you look like on your hangover.
Who is that?
What do you mean, who is it? It's everyone. It's the gang. Say hi, gangs. Swipe up for... Cool, here we go. That one's not nice. I'm really buzzing my clit off here. Bloody hell. What do you think, Mum? It's not disgusting. Oh, I'll let you know how it goes.